Hey there! If you're watching this video, you might be one of the many men looking for ways to combat hair fall. Hair loss can be a touchy subject, but today, we're tackling it head-on with tips and tricks backed by science. Let's get those locks back in check. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Understanding hair loss. First, let's understand what causes hair fall. Often, it's due to genetics, but stress, nutrition, and how you care for your hair play a role too. Researchers at the University of Edinburgh found a significant genetic link to baldness in a study a few years back. Step 2. Gentle hair care. When you wash your hair, use a mild shampoo. Harsh chemicals can strip your hair of essential oils, leading to breakage. And don't forget to condition. This helps maintain the strength and elasticity of your hair. Brush gently. Pulling can cause more fallout. Step 3. Diet and nutrition. Your hair is what you eat. Protein and iron are hair's best friends, and you can find them in chicken, fish, beans, and grains. Sometimes hair fall is due to a lack of nutrients, so keeping a balanced diet is key. Step 4. Vitamins and supplements. Speaking of nutrients, vitamins like biotin, vitamin C, D, and E can support hair health. If you're thinking about adding supplements, check with a healthcare provider first. Step 5. Hair loss treatments. There are clinically proven treatments like minoxidil or finasteride that can slow down hair loss and even regrow hair. These come recommended by dermatologists worldwide, and studies show they work for many men. Step 6. Stress management. Never underestimate the power of stress to affect your body. Techniques like meditation, exercise, or even therapy can help you manage stress, which in turn can help your hair. Step 7. Professional help. If you've tried everything and you're still losing hair, it might be time to visit a professional. Dermatologists can provide personalized advice and treatment plans. Remember, hair fall is a common issue, and it's often manageable with the right approach. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. We're here to help you look and feel your best, so keep us posted on your journey to better hair health. Until next time, take care.